paano ka binago ng marriage?
I always tell Lucy, I'm very fortunate na ikaw yung pangasawa ko because I am a better man now. Mas nag-mellow ako. And then when it comes to decision making, I really take my time more to come up with the decision. Dati hindi eh. Parang, how do you say it? What's a proper word? Basta makapag-decide, tapos na ako, ganun lang. Sometimes you're very aggressive, no?
Right. Masyadong aggressive.
Sometimes reckless.
Reckless?
Yes.
I think that's a better word. Yung parang hindi ko nag-iisip. Basta ito ang gusto ko.
So, nung nag-asawa kami ni Lucy, I became mellow.
Wasn't it a problem that you were a superstar for Lucy? That she had to, she's very beautiful. I mean, the first time I saw Lucy, naalala ko, she was doing commercials. Sabi ko, parang hindi naman tao ang ganda nito. Parang really beautiful. But was it a problem to Lucy that you were the Richard Gomez?
It was not a problem with Lucy. Ang inisip ko lang, at one point, sabi nung before we got married, sabi ko, yung mga fans kasi seloso eh. O selosa. Di ba? Siyempre, Richard Gomez, may love team na Snooki Serna, Sharon Cuneta, Don Zulueta, yung mga ganon. Sabi ko, how will people react if si Lucy yung mapapangasawa ko? Inisip ko rin yung one time.
Okay.
Magsiselos ba yung mga fans? But alam mo, natuwa naman ako kasi the reaction of most people were very positive. Sabi lang, uy, ganda naman ni Lucy, bagay kayo. Alam mo yung tao, unat nitignan yung appearance yung physical, before natignan yung ugali mo, yung pagkatao mo.
I should be asking Lucy this, pero ano yung tingin ni Lucy sa'yo noon?
Si Lucy kasi, she was a fan. Talagang Richard Gomez fan siya.
Talaga?
Oo, in love talaga siya sa akin. No? Lagi niya sabi, alam mo, 12 years old pa lang ako, in love na ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, swerte ko naman.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Oo.
Okay.
Oo. So, at a very young age, high school pa lang siya, pag pumipirma na siya gano'n, Lucy Torres Gomez na siya noon. Di ba? Ang swerte ko, di ba?
Ang galing.
Ang swerte ko talaga.
Marunong mag-manifest.
Yeah.
Yan ang gagawin mo. Lucy Torres Gomez. Ang galing. Okay.
So we have to be very careful with what we say.
Correct.
Because
the power.
Our words are very powerful.
I agree. Kumusta ka bilang asawa?
Ako? Mabait naman ako ng asawa.
May takot ka sa asawa mo?
In a way, yes.
Talaga?
Oo. Ayoko natatakot ako na magalit siya sa akin. I don't want na magalit siya sa akin.
Oo. That's takot and love.
Oo. Gusto ko na pag magkasama kami ni Lucy, gusto ko masaya lang kami.
Right.
But you know, we're not the perfect couple. We're not the perfect family. Also, we also have our differences. But we know how to resolve them. And siguro yung isang natutunan ko, boy, in times na may differences kami ni Lucy, you have to resolve it na kayong dalawa lang. Dapat hindi sinasama yung parents nyo, or hindi mo sinasama yung kapatid mo, because in a lot of the people we know na yung mag-asawa, nag-away, sinumbong sa parents. Bati na kayo eh. Galit pa yung parents sa'yo.
Tama.
Yung ganon.
Meron din mga psychologists who believe in the idea na pag ang couples daw nag-aaway, you have to fight, resolve problems na nakahubad.
Ay, saya. Sa pag-away?
Hindi, kasi mas vulnerable.
Ganun ba talaga?
I read about that somewhere many years ago.
I will tell Lucy. Kunyari, nag-aaway tayo.
Okay.
Ganito dapat natin nire-resolve yung problema natin. Ha?
Sabihin mo na lang, hindi galing sa akin. But you've been married for 28 years.
Yes.
I remember an interview of Lucy. Sabi niya, there was a point when she would pray over you. Ano yun?
Si Lucy kasi madasalin. Pero, so when she prays, as a couple, husband and wife, sinasama niya ako, pinipray over niya ako na ganyan. Habang natutulog. Habang natutulog ako ha. Okay. So when she prays yan, minsan nagigising ako kasi nararamdaman mo, totoo.
Okay.
Totoo.
Okay.
Hala, pinagdadasal na ako ulit. Ganun, no?
Pag halimbawa within the marriage, may mga umaaligid, hindi lang sa'yo, kahit kay Lucy. How do you guys manage that?
Sa atin, in our business, in show business, grabe yung temptation, di ba?
Right.
Not necessarily from our peers, our colleagues, pero, from outside forces. Pero siguro there's a way of just, turning away, turning a blind eye. Ganun na lang ginagawa ko.
And that love has to be bigger than that temptation.
That marriage is very sacred.
Pero kayo ni Lucy, bukas talaga yung pag-uusap.
Ang line of communication namin,
Yeah.
very open.
No matter how difficult the subject matter is, you guys talk
we
to
talk
each other.
about it. As a matter of fact, I was so happy last night because she's mayor of Ormoc, and then I'm here in Manila. Ang tagal namin nag-uusap kagabi sa phone. Sabi kanya, alam mo, ang tagal natin, walang ganitong katagal na conversation sa
Sabi
phone.
niya?
Oo. Siguro we were talking for more than an hour. Kwentuhan lang kami nagkwento over the phone. Then, sabi ko, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, matulog na tayo.